What is a method? A method is simply a function that belongs to a specific object. Now the syntax for method is the object dot the method name and a parenthesis. Now let me explain the anatomy of the method. We have the object. Object is simply, if I can put it in retro, means it's a container that contains a specific data. Then we have the dot, which is the connector that connects the object to the method. Okay, now we have the method name, and we have several. Then the parenthesis is where you insert the specific instruction to the method. We have very many methods in Python, and the choice depends on what you're using Python for, or the feed that you're using Python. In our case, it is data science. Okay, so we have essential methods. I'm just going to list them because I just wanted you to have an idea of what methods is. You might not understand them all at once, but as we practice and do, as we code, you're going to get their purpose. We have the string methods, we have the list methods, dictionary methods. These are the most used in this field. Now let me say this. I've said a method needs an object, and an object is a container that contains a specific data. So one of the most used object in our case, that is data science, is called a DF, or a data frame. Okay, and data frame is a way of organizing data into rows and columns. Now if you have rows and columns, you create what? A table. Now using the methods, you can manipulate the entries of these tables. For example, you can say I want to remove the first row. Now that's where methods comes in. You want to manipulate that object to match your desire. Okay, that is the reason why methods are very important, because for instance, if I download let's say a stock data, maybe Apple, I don't need all that raw data. Either I need to remove some things or manipulate it to match what I need specifically. Okay, so that's very important. Methods help us to to simplify raw data, or extract a specific details from the raw data. So that's very important. I've used the term download, so that makes the topic of our next video, that is libraries. Yep, see you.